When GA4 and GA ads are linked, how can Google Ads use convergence events from Google Analytics? When Google Analytics and Google Ads are linked, when Google Analytics and Google Ads are linked, how can Google Ads use conversion events from Google Analytics? Is it this one right here?
No, no, no. It helps in bidding strategy in Google Ads. Okay. Bidding means how it Google Ads will spend your money for each ads. Okay.
I don't understand why some of these other options, this option is wrong, because let's just say you have your Google Analytics and Google Ads are linked.
Mm-hmm.
And on your website, you set a conversion that says that anytime anybody on my website clicks the link, let's just say you spread keywords all throughout your website
Mm-hmm.
or something. I don't know.
Oh, what is
I mean, like,
conversion?
or
Means.
you have a section on your website that says, let's just say you have a form on your website that says, tell me your name, your email address, and
Mhm.
write in here what are the keywords that you search for to find chess pieces online. And I look at those messages and I now have a bunch of new keywords that people gave me to consider. Is that not the same thing as this? It can generate new keyword ideas?
No, no, no. First of all, you have to understand what is conversion. Conversion is the final goal of your uh, campaign. Okay.
Sure.
If you want someone make purchase on your website, you can make the event, the purchase as your conversion. Okay. And if someone make a form submission on your website, you can make this form submission event as a conversion.
I understand that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So if you take this conversion event from GA4 to Google Ads, then Google Ads can realize that this is your main goal or conversion event. So that's why it can spend your money so that it can bring your conversion after spending money. Okay. And bids. This is the bidding strategy is how Google will spend your money for each conversion, how it will show your ads. Okay. Uh, it-
Yes.
bidding is a procedure how Google Ads will spend your money uh, in terms of location, audience. Lots of things actually related to this bidding strategy.
Mm.
Google settings. How can Google Ads conversion events from Google Analytics? I can see your skin blurry. Text are blurry.
Blurry?
Yes, maybe network issue.
What about now?
More blurry. Okay,
Okay,
no,
let me
no
see.
issue, no issue. I will open here on my computer.
Okay.
Mm, Okay, that's it. Google Ads use this conversion event. The conversion event sending from actually Google Ads can export this conversion event from import from GA4. Then Google Ads can utilize this event for bidding strategy. Okay.
Yep.
Next, ultimate changes.
Your team needs to change the default primary dimension for the user acquisition report with their Google Analytics property. Your team needs to change the default primary dimension for the user acquisition report within their Google Analytics property. Which action can they take to accomplish this?
Maybe we didn't discuss this topic before.
Hold on, let me think about it first. Hold on, once again.
Okay.
This one?
Your team needs to change the developer. Why this is, brother? They can select.
Why that one?
Yes, why? New primary dimension.
Well, if they don't like their existing one, they can just pick a new one, right? If they want to change it,
But why primary? Because if you use this
because they're
customization,
changing the default primary dimension, so they can
yes,
just pick
yes.
a new one, right?
So if you use this customization feature to edit, then you have more flexibility.
That's the answer.
The first one, if you go to your GA4, then you can say acquisition. What is this? Acquisition. Yes, go to acquisition. Then
Go to what?
yes, reports. Then acquisition.
This one?
Mhm. Traffic acquisition. Click on traffic acquisition. Are you in the demo account or your account?
It's the demo.
Okay, so here the customization feature is not available.
Go to mine. Let's see if we can see it in
Okay.
here. Where is it again?
Yes, traffic acquisition, then traffic acquisition. Yeah, what is this? Click on generate leads. Generate leads. Generate leads. Yes, traffic acquisition. You can see the pencil icon on the right side. Then you can customize these things here
What pencil? Where?
at the top, the right side. Scroll up. Where are you now? Yes, this one. This one. If you click on this, dimension metrics, lots of things here.
So I can just edit the report, basically, is what it's saying.
Yes, edit, and you can
Okay, by
change
editing the
color.
report, I'm doing the same thing. I'm just picking a new one, right?
Yes, yes.
So isn't that the same as this one?
No, 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 no. New primary dimension only. Here is the primary only. Default primary
Well,
dimension.
that's the
Yes.
one that I'm changing, right?
Changing the primary dimension for user acquisition report within their Google Analytics report. Your team needs to change the
Okay, I'm
primary.
editing the built-in report, but then after I edit the built-in report, am I not simply just selecting a new primary dimension here?
Brother,
I'm
this
just
is under
pick another one of these.
customization. This is under customization. Okay.
Okay,
This is called customization. Custom dashboard even.
okay.
The first one you can select. They
Okay.
can use the customization feature to edit.
Oh my God.
Okay, next.
What the?
Today we are done. Okay. Then you have to appear at the exam.
Yeah, I'll try to take it tomorrow if we can. I have to sign up for it, or can I just sign up on the spot and take it?
You have to sign in first. Yes, sign up first.
How do I do that? We should probably do that first, right?
Yes.
Which one?
I opened the link. I sent it.
Then
Then sign in.
Then I don't think you can take this exam until you finish this, right?
No. Can you use different email that you didn't use for this skill shop before? Or can you click on next?
Next is going to
Okay.
take you to the next activity of this course.
Yes. Then what it shows?
It's just going to keep taking you through more and more activities. That's what I was saying is that I don't think you can take the exam until you do this. Is that not correct?
No, I didn't complete this course, but
So then how did you do it?
I have. Can you try with different email?
Why would my email address matter?
Yes. Please use different email. Then let's see.